Meaning of hamster.
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 Hamster. A hamster is a small, furry animal that belongs to the rodent family. They are typically kept as pets and are known for their round bodies, short tails, and chubby cheeks. Hamsters are active animals that love to run on wheels and explore their surroundings. They are also known for their ability to store food in their cheek pouches. Hamsters come in a variety of colors and breeds, and are popular pets due to their cute and playful personalities. Overall, hamsters are beloved pets that bring joy to many people around the world.